In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close a survey in Qualtrics. Whether you're wrapping up a research project or need to halt data collection for other reasons, closing your Qualtrics survey is a straightforward process. Let's walk through the steps together to ensure no more responses are gathered and your data remains intact. First, you'll need to log into your Qualtrics account. Head over to www.qualtrics.com/login. Here, you'll find a space to enter your login credentials. Once you've entered your information, you'll land on your dashboard, ready to access all your Qualtrics projects. Next, you'll want to open the specific project you're working with. From your projects page, browse through your list of surveys and identify the one you wish to close. Once you've found it, click on the survey name. This action will open your survey, bringing all the relevant settings and options into view. Now direct your attention to the top of your screen, where you'll see several tabs. You're looking for the Distributions tab. Give it a click. At this point, you'll be presented with details of your active survey link and the distribution channels through which your survey has been shared. To stop new responses from coming in, you'll want to deactivate the survey link. This could be in the form of an anonymous link or an email distribution. Once you've identified your distribution method, click on the link itself. You'll either select deactivate or toggle off the active switch. This step is crucial because it ensures that no one else can submit responses after this point. For those of you who prefer automation, Qualtrics offers a handy feature. You can schedule a close date for your survey instead of deactivating it manually. To do this, navigate to the Survey Options menu. Within this section, you'll find a survey expiration setting. Here, simply choose the date and time you'd like your survey to automatically expire. Once the set date passes, your survey will close without further intervention. With the survey deactivated, it's always wise to confirm that it is indeed closed. You can easily verify this by clicking on the survey link again. Instead of the survey questions, you should now see a message indicating this survey is currently closed. And just because your survey is closed to new responses doesn't mean your data disappears. Head over to the Data and Analysis section to access all the collected responses up until now. Here, you have the option to export your results into various formats, such as Excel, CSV, or SPSS, or even create detailed reports based on the responses gathered. And there you have it. Your Qualtrics survey is officially closed, ensuring no new participants can submit responses. Thanks for joining me today. If you have other Qualtrics questions, feel free to explore more instructional content.